In this world of possibility, every small act of kindness creates ripples of change. We must understand that our differences are not obstacles but unique perspectives that, when united, strengthen the foundation of a peaceful and thriving world. Imagine communities where collaboration is the norm, where we actively listen and learn from one another. By embracing our shared humanity, we realize that we are far more alike than we are different. Our planet, with its incredible diversity of life, is a gift that we must protect for future generations. Protecting it is not a burden, but a privilege. Through innovation and dedication, we can create solutions that reduce harm and restore balance. Renewable energy, conservation efforts, and sustainable living practices are all within our reach if we commit to working together. Let's shift our focus from fear and scarcity to one of abundance and gratitude. Each of us has the power to inspire others through our actions, no matter how small they may seem. Every time we choose empathy over indifference, solutions over problems, and compassion over judgment, we contribute to a future where peace and prosperity are the natural state. We are stewards of this earth, and it is up to us to preserve its beauty and resources. We must be intentional in our actions, mindful of the impact we have on the world around us, and guided by the vision of a healthy, thriving planet for all living beings. It is not enough to hope for a better future, we must actively create it. Together we can rise above the challenges, leaving behind a legacy not of conflict, but of unity, love, and respect for the planet and one another. Let's be the generation that heals, protects, and uplifts, ensuring that those who come after us inherit a world filled with peace, beauty, and boundless opportunity. Sending warm hugs surrounding you with bright white lights and love. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.